Hello, hello, hello. Let's talk for a moment about the fourth industrial revolution. Industry 4.0 is the ongoing automation of traditional industrial practices using modern smart technology. This is exciting because it will create new jobs that are less tedious and offer people the chance to be more creative. Problems will be solved faster and exciting new products will emerge, but it will require a new skill set, a new leadership mindset, and a whole new way of thinking. Do you want that technology is getting smarter than you? I don't. Now, what is this habit that I am talking about? It is mindfulness. A robot cannot be mindful. You can. How often do you drive to work and you don't even recognize how you got there? This only happens when you are on autopilot and lost in thought. Mindfulness is the art of paying more attention to the present moment. I suggest that you start your day by focusing on how to be rather than what to do. For example, today I want to be more open-minded, more positive, more solution-oriented, or I want to be a better listener. I know, easier said than done, but practice will make perfect. If you liked the video, please click like and share it to serve the people in your network. This was my thought for today, and I will see you next week again. Until then, stay happy, stay healthy, and be at your best.